Tired of your processes looking like a tangled mess? Let's turn chaos into clarity by creating professional flowcharts using Microsoft Office. First, open Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, whichever you prefer. We'll start with Word for this example, but the process is nearly identical in PowerPoint. Create a new blank document. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, look for the Shapes option and click on it. A drop-down menu of various shapes will appear. Scroll down to the Flowchart section. Here you'll find all the standard flowchart symbols: rectangles for processes, diamonds for decisions, ovals for start and end points, and arrows for connections. Click on a rectangle shape. This represents a process step. Then, click and drag on your document to create the shape. Don't worry about the exact size just yet. Now, type in the description of this process step directly inside the rectangle. For example, receive customer order. To connect the shapes, go back to the Shapes menu and select an arrow. Click and drag from one shape to the next to show the flow of the process. For decision points, use the diamond shape. Add text like "is item in stock," and use the arrows coming out of the diamond, labeled yes and no, to indicate the different paths. Continue adding shapes and connectors to map out your entire process. Use different colors and formatting options to highlight important elements and improve readability. Remember to use clear and concise language in your shapes. And that's it. You've created a professional flowchart that effectively visualizes your process. Now you can easily document workflows, improve communication, and impress your colleagues. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more office tips.